Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Services to share this page. Cain will join co-hosts Jedediah Bila and Pete Hegseth beginning Saturday, August 15th. Fox and Friends Weekend has featured a substitute rotating co-host since Tucker Carlson moved to early primetime in 2016 and eventually the 8 p.m. timeslot in 2017.
Take our lead.
Media career. Cain previously worked as a fill-in host for CNN's In the Arena, where he co-hosted the program with E.D. Hill from February 28, 2011, to August 5, 2011. Cain began working at ESPN in 2015 as a radio personality as a fill-in for ESPN radio anchors.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
On Thursday, ESPN announced the 51-year-old Le Batard was leaving effective January 4 to pursue an unspecified opportunity. Also out the door with Le Batard are his partner John Stugotz Wiener and Gonzalo Papi Le Batard, his father and co-star of their highly questionable TV show.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The former host of The Will Cain Show, and frequent First Take guest will join Jedediah Bila and Pete Hegseth as the third host of Fox and Friends Weekend, which airs Saturdays and Sundays from 6 to 10 a.m. The program had been using a rotating list of co-hosts since Tucker Carlson left for primetime in 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.